Look at that wonderful sun that is on its way down. Greetings from Platanias beach and the second beach adventure for my first day in Crete this April 2024. Yes, 20th of April, and I have decided to do one more beach adventure for today as the sunset is approaching. So earlier today I was at Aegean Marina beach where I'm staying. It was quite sunny and nice, and now I decided to take a walk to the neighboring town of Platanias, and the beach over here seems a bit broader than that in the Aegean Marina, but it's basically the same composition on the beach, and yeah, it's super nice. I'm still adapting to Crete and the time and the change, both in time but also in the climate, because this morning it was -2 when I was starting off my journey from Arlanda, and they were defrosting the plane. So when I landed it was around 20 degrees, so it was quite a shock. And because it was an early morning flight, I barely slept, so I really need a good night's sleep tonight in order to do some crazy and unforgettable beach adventures in the upcoming days. So this is day 1. There's gonna be a total of 8 days because I'm here for 7 nights, but I'm gonna be swimming also on the last day, on the departure day back home. So yeah, this is how the beach looks like on an late April day. So it's definitely not the season yet. As I am roaming the streets, most of the restaurants and cafes are empty. The season will start around beginning of June. So yeah, but I think that this period, it's actually on the very same day I was traveling to Crete last year, when I was on the other side of the island in Magrigelos, and I traveled on the same date, but I think it was not sure if it was Sunday or Friday last year though, as it changes. But yeah, this is how it looks like. And I measured the temperature in the sea earlier, it was 17, and based on the satellite measurement it's 18.1, and currently it is 18 degrees Celsius in the air, so it's not that cold, not that hot either. So it's gonna be a nice sunset swim over here. Let's see, the waves are a bit strong, and here there are some tiny stones here when I enter, which is different from a Yemen beach where it was mostly sand. Oh, now here comes a very strong wave. Look at that. Beautiful. Woo! Okay, 3, 2, 1. So nice. But here it becomes like very deep, and the waves here are a bit strange because it is getting quite deep, but it's nice. And look at that sunset over there. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? Beautiful. Okay, so that is a wrap for this beach adventure 2 for day 1 of my Crete vacation 2024. And this was Platanias beach that I will definitely visit a few more times during my visit here and my stay. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. See you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.